Namaskar. The next video is about annual performance appraisal reports or other performance appraisal tools of last 3 years. Throughout my career as a teacher, my ACRs have been up to the mark. Every year I set my targets and goals. During these 3 years also I have set the following goals. These goals are to develop the communication skills of the cadets, and its responses, the communication skill of the cadets is being improved day by day. To prepare the students for NDA and UPSC, and its responses, Raksha Mantralaya awards the Raksha Mantri trophy every year to the Sainik school that sends the maximum cadets to Indian Armed Forces as an officer. I feel pride in mentioning here that our school has received this trophy for the year 2021, and I am one of the stakeholders of this, as I have been conducting UPSC NDA classes every year. Let me now talk about how to prepare the students for CBSE exam and its responses. I have been producing 100% results of the board classes 10th and 12th every year. The results of these board classes are quantitatively as well as qualitatively better every year. I always try to make my teaching learner centered. I strongly feel that a teacher is a facilitator only. He is not only all in the class but also a very better guide. I always try to access and keep abreast of knowledge and developments in the subject area using technology and other sources of information. I set the goals in the beginning of the session and then try to accomplish them. I always try to act in such a manner that I complete the task successfully. By following my teaching strategies, I have always secured quantitative and qualitative results of the classes I teach. I have always got 100% results in my subject in all the classes. Not only this, I always conduct NDA classes for the cadets who aspire to become officers in Indian Armed Forces. Every year, 15 to 20 cadets are selected from each semester, but in 1998, we set a record by sending 27 cadets to National Defence Academy, Kharagwasla. I always learn from my mistakes. The mistakes committed by me make me much stronger. In order to achieve my goals, I always try to update myself with the latest developments in the field of teaching by attending in-service training courses regularly. I listen to my critics also. Whenever I come to know from my critics that I am lagging behind in certain areas, I try to improve myself. My efforts in different areas have brought appreciation from different walks of life. I actively conduct co-curricular activities. I have promoted self-discipline and leadership qualities in the students. I know how to execute responsibilities concerning child welfare and respect for all learners. The list given below shows that I have been taking interest in conducting various activities. Let me mention here appreciation and accolades received from different dignitaries in different walks of life. First of all, on 23rd August 1998, from Shri Nivas Tiwari, Honorable Speaker, Madhya Pradesh Assembly, for producing exceptionally remarkable result of NDA and sending 27 cadets to NDA Kharagwasla. On 5th July 2000, from Lieutenant Colonel J.B. Sharma, the Principal Sainik School, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, for producing outstanding result of class 10 English. On 6th May 2010, from Colonel G.K. Pathak, the Principal Sainik School, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, for staging English skit Who Will Garland Mahatma. On 4th August 2010, from Colonel G.K. Pathak, the Principal Sainik School, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, for staging English skit Baby Elephant. On 26th April 2012, from Colonel G.K. Pathak, the Principal Sainik School, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, for conducting co-curricular activities efficiently in the school. On 18th June 2014 from Srimati Zubin Irani, Honorable Minister of Human Resource Development, Government of India, for stellar performance of my students in the secondary school examination. On 11th July 2015, again from Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani, Honorable Minister of HRD, Government of India, for stellar performance of my students in the secondary school examination. On 2nd July 2020, from Squadron Leader A.N. Thakur, Commanding Officer, Independent Companies, NCC Junior Division, Sainik School, Rewa, for conducting plantation drive on the occasion of Van Mahotsav. On 4th July 2020, from Shri Janardhan Mishra, Honorable Member of Parliament, Rewa constituency, for conducting Shramdan, participating in plantation drive, participating in Independence Day run, and conducting rally as an ANO, NCC Junior Division, Sainik School, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. On 5th September 2021, from Colonel Rajesh Benda, the Principal, Sainik School, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, for conducting public speaking classes in the school successfully. On 5th December 2022, from Colonel Avinash Rawal, the Principal, Sainik School, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, for my devotion and untiring efforts in accomplishing the assigned task of bringing out quotation boards for cadets. I love to accept the fact that the teachers have a moral responsibility to themselves and whom they serve, demonstrating leadership and commitment to improvements. I have also tried to act as a leader and a role model for students and community. I also like to mention here that in the last 3 years I have got outstanding performance in the last 3 years, which has been mentioned in the certificate which has been attested with this write-up. Thank you very much.